Haidrdi tade tadardi khangde nurse amadi oire thabak phangde haiduna lemna taduna leiba aina nurse tamnuriba si lalabani khanna ningba kaina leitaba nurse kaya su Manipur sta leitaba su natte adudi karino hojik tawdorise yengsi TNAI amadi SNA Manipur State Branch na kari hairiba kumja lisingani kunmari March ki tang kuntra thang janumit asida the Trained Nurses Association of India TNAI amadi Student Nurses Association of India SNA Manipur State Branch na silangduna Jubilee Hall RIMS Imphal da First Annual Conference of TNAI Manipur State Branch 2024 ayuki pung nipan makhai dagina ayuki pung tara taraba phawba formal function tawduna hawdokre asigumlaba First Annual Conference of TNAI Manipur State Branch 2024 asida RIMS ki Director Dr. Guru Aribam Sunil Kumar Sharma Chief Guest TNAI Manipur State Branch ki President ki thau puribi Srimati N Tangbi Devina President ki phampham langda aduga Dr. Eliza Sanatombi Director M Philippi Mehena Guest of Honor Dr. A. Jamuna Devi Register Manipur Nursing Council Guest of Honor Srimati N. Ibemal Chief Nursing Officer RIMS Guest of Honor Srimati M. Jibolata Devi Nursing Superintendent Jenims Guest of Honor Srimati T.H. Binodini Devi Secretary TNAI State Branch Hairiba Ikai Khumnazarba Miyoi Singh Aduna Magi Phampham Langda Lengsinduna Phambaki Leiteng Oiki TNAI SNA Manipur State Branch na pangthokliba First Annual Conference of TNAI Manipur State Branch 2024 gi nungi oiba theme di Our Nurses Our Future The Economic Power of Care haibasini hairiba function asina haudringai conference asibu sillangliba TNAI Manipur State Branch ki President gi thaupuribi Srimati N Tangbi Devi mahakna thamlakhiba wafam amadi guest of honor gi phampham langda Lengsin Bikibi Dr. A. Jamuna Devi Register Manipur Nursing Council na aikhoida thamlakhiba wafam sing
akhoi ngasi ki pangthok jariba theme si Our Nurses Our Future The Economic Power of Care haiba theme sida akhoi gi Manipur State Branch na aduga loinana akhoi gi Student Nurses Association of India Manipur State Branch da ani gi khusam najara haraga akhoi ngasi ki program si theme sida pangthok jabani maramdi masi akhoi ngasi pangthok jariba se akhoi ihan hanba First Annual akhoi gi Conference of the TNAI Manipur State Branch haidna akhoi na ihan hana akhoi na mayam Manipur da leiba akhoi gi trained nurses sing aduga student nurses sing akhoi kok punsan haraga ihan boina akhoi pangthok jaribani ngasi ki program da haiba theme sida
Jarwana participate kya
akhoi participants se akhoi da akhoi 900 akhoi adumaina akhoi participate registration adumaina lai student ga akhoi staff nurse aduga in service leiba mayam akhoi loina akhoi section khori mak dagi haibadi education section dagi aduga hospital section dagi community section dagi pullaga akhoi 900 participants adumaina registration da main taw
Madam Sekari
ai samwa ai Naurem Tangbi Devi aduga haiba Trained Nurses Association of India Manipur State Branch gi president oina ai ha osi hoji ai thau buzari haija tare ai isama main objective actually akhoi nursing gi hojikti nowadays akhoi nursing profession ji yamna akhoi advance akhoi advance stage la khare aduga akhoi maruina akhoi nursing akhoi education and practice ma sida akhoi yamba base tawraga akhoi hena strengthen hena oina ba hena future de hena akhoi nursing mayam sina tawiba ngasi gi malem sida international sida akhoi national level da akhoi state nursing lori ba thodang je masi mayam da akhoi expression piba loina sida gi hena amu hena kutong jaba development sin lakna bi da makta akhoi mari lena na koi pangthok jaba koi conference ni
TNAI Manipur State Branch na ahanba state level koi conference ama sinbi re ise theme di Our Nurses Our Future The Economic Power of Care haibani yamna kari haitare innovative oiba adagi miyamna udaba care sigi maru oiba basis the care sigi importance in the welfare aduga loina na sustainability of life tamasigi yam achoba thodang ama loba se hauji Prithvi ki mipung khuding uba horakpani aduna hairiba trend se akhoi na su Manipuri context sida akhoi gi government da then akhoi gi public ta then da akhoi gi co-workers mayam akhoi gi public ta khanghan ba ama mathau tarai aduna maram oi da na huji nurses de gi mangoi na akhoi na hairiba huji program se sinjabani adu MNC gi register ama oi na su ai yam support taujai aduga ai samak su hairiba TNAI Manipur State Branch ki chairperson membership oi na leijabani akhoi punna collaborative effort ama tawra kanda nursing gi standard se Manipur da hengat na ba India gi la iba or world gi la iba trend gi loine na chatmin na ba ngam na ba yamna khoina priorly masi khangdo kanda khoi su masi ngam na ba haidana busap to ba ngam na ba haidana adu ma lokhat pa adu strategy amani.
First Annual Conference of TNAI Manipur State Branch 2024 theme Our Nurses, Our Future, the Economic Power of Care hairiba theme masida pangthokadoriba conference asigi hawdokpagi pumpham ayuki pung 9 makhai taba matamdagi hauki. Dignitaries singbu daista lengsil hanbaga loinana taram oklaba matungda ngamjabu khudol piki loinana welcome address the Professor C.S. Babita Devi, Principal, Caesar Academy of Nursing na welcome address piki loinana dais ki member khudimagna lighting of inaugural lamp and Florent tribute to Florence Nightingale by chief guests and dignitaries. Loina keynote address amadi theme da Dr. A. Jamuna Devi, Registrar MNC, Mathangda report on TNI activities by Mistress T.S. Binodini Devi, Secretary, TNAI Manipur State Branch. Mathangda report on TNAI State SNA activities by SNA Advisor, Mistress Valentina Phairoijam. Mathangda guest of honor gi warol singda Jenims ki nursing superintendent oiribi M Jibolatana conference asida phangkiba knowledge sing miyam da su yohunsi nursing na public ki interest ta thamoi sengna kathokpaga loina thabak tausi Srimati N Ibemal Chief Nursing Officer RIMS na phongdoki wafam da healthy people healthy society aikoi gi khunai na mathau tabagum nursing su aikoi nursing asisu masa mau phanba mathau tai physically psychologically morally support tobiba mathau tai one family one art haibagum one nation one RR recruitment rule sembiba mathau tai haina phongdokhi. Guest of honor gi phampham langda Lengsin Bikibi Dr. Eliza Sanatombi Director M Philippi Mehen phongdokhiba wafamda Phaklang Mari haibase aikoi gi khunai rol na sembani masi ama hoba yade aikoi khudingmak amaga thong manana lingjen manana thabak tawminagadabani nurse ama haibasi kathokpada yumpham oigadabani aina nurse ama oire hairaga ninghanaduna chengadabnate aigi thabaktuna aina tawriba thabaktuna mai paklaba matamda miyamna thajabiba thamlaba matamda aikoi gi heisingu uthoklaba matamda aikoi chawkhatpo oigadabani aikoi sen phangde haiduna ninghannagadabnate masidi automatically aikoi da adum laksagadaba potni aina tanduna laithoktuna leiragadi asigumba khudong thiba haibadi aikoina nurse ama oirubagi ningba kaiba du aikoi isa da tholakani haiba wafam thamki loinana nahakna phajana thabak tawrabadi nahaki thajaba khanglakani profession bu masak khanglakani haibana singba wafam sing thamki. First Annual Conference of TNAI Manipur State Branch 2024 gi formal function asigi chief guest ki warolda Dr. Guru Aribam Sunil Kumar Sarman, Director RIMS na phongdokhiba wafam sing RIMS ta ana layengi thorang kaya paikhatpagi thabakta professional nursing recruitment policy chatnanaba notification thokre haiba wafam sing thamki. Wafam asi the Trained Nurses Association of India TNAI and Student Nurses Association of India SNA Manipur State Branch na silangduna pangthokliba First Annual Conference of TNAI Manipur State Branch 2024 theme Our Nurses, Our Future, the Economic Power of Care haiba thoromasigi formal function da chief guest ki warol piraduna Dr. Guru Aribam Sunil Kumar Sharma, Director RIMS ta ana layengi thorang kaya paikhatpagi mathakta professional nursing recruitment policy sananaba notification thokre haiba wafam na chingba thamki. Our Nurses, Our Future, the Economic Power of Care haiba theme da pangthokhiba thoram aduda RIMS ki Director Guru Aribam Sunil Kumar Sharma na makha tana hai India gi Central Hospital sing gi manungda candidate listing ama chahum hena leiraba RIMS Hospital asina ana layengi lamda hena khumang chawsin hannaba thorang kaya paikhatpagi mathakta Professional Nursing Registrar of Policy chananaba mahakna Director hek oirakpaga order thokre. Manipurdagi haukiba nursing gi sacrifice laibak asigi state singda singthanaba oiri adumapu WHO gi matung ina anaba patient listing amada nurse ahum mathau tabada nurse masing watpana mapung phadri mahakna makha taraduna member listing ahum leraba chahi yankai suraba TNAI gumba association ama leiba haibasi nursing gi oinadi yam chokthok chaningai ni nursing na lawriba thodang asi COVID-19 dagi hongna khanglakhrabani Manipur da nurse tambagi masing asi yamna urabasu Manipur khakta natana India gi maming leraba hospital kaya dasu thabak tawduna seba tawriba adugumba India gi da natana malem gi oina nurse ki awatpadi yamna leiri lamdam asida leiriba nursing na ishagi khudong chaba phangnaba hotnabagi mahutta miyoiba khunai chawkhat minanaba hotna minasi India pumbada 2030 phawbagi manungda health for all oinanaba thamliba manglan asi phangnanaba hotnabada nursing na achawu thodang lobiyu ngasigi convention asida TNAI gi Manipur State Branch ki President N Tangbi nasu mahaki oiba wafamda ngasi phawbada TNAI amadi SNA Manipur State Branch na Manipur gi nursing gi damak lawriba thodang amadi nursing bu sakhatnaba honaba matamda amadi kathokpaga loinana honariba pukchel chaurba nursing gi damak honariba pungnamak sing asi TNAI na angamba thakta mateng pangduna lakli loinana aikhoi khudingmakna nurse amamam oibagi saukthokchabadu isa da leigadabani haiba wakhalon sing phongdokki loinana hairiba thoram asida tongan ba TNAI gi miyoi sing nurse ki profession da thabak tawriba miyoi sing bu khangatuna ikai khumnakwa utpa asina singba thoram kaya amasu pangthokki thoram sing asi loirba matungda conference asigi scientific session makha tana adum chathaduna thoram ase pangthokki TNAI amadi SNA Manipur State Branch na khanaba yaba wafum amadi haujik Manipur da natana Manipur gi atai state singda amadi mapal leibak singda mahi tamliba haibadi nurse ki profession asibu tamliba miyoi singna makoina sinpham asi tambal loiraba matungda kadai da karida thabak changadage lenga ki thabak ngakta tanagadra lenga ki thabak phangdragana private hospital singda leiriba nursing gi punsirol makoina phangliba khudong chaba sing amadi makoi gi sakhot khongthangda kadai phawba yengsinba mathau tari amadi kadaida leakage leiri haibadu kupna khananenabagi mathau taba leiba thabak sing TNAI na kupna thijanbagi mathau tari loina lengak asinasu ahenba miyeng changbiduna nursing gi yaifanabagi damakta kathokpaga loina honariba nursing gi yaifanabagi damak TNAI amadi SNA Manipur State Branch na masigi tangai phadaba thabak sing kupna yengsinduna hena chawkhatpa khunai ama hena chawkhatpa association ama amadi nursing profession asibu hena develop tawba yaiphawa maikairomda punaba hotna minarasi haiba pawdel su thambaga loinana thoram masi ingna chikna loisinki